What's going on, guys? In this tutorial I want to continue exploring the features of PowerPoint. So let's go ahead and open our project folder and create a new file over here. So we are going to call this NotePoint maybe 3. That should do. So let's launch it. Alright, so by now I'm sure you know how to do all these things, so I'm going to call this PowerPoint Mastery. Okay, and presented by, I'm going to type my name over here so you can put your name over there. Alright, so I'm going to add a new slide. So I'm going to select let me select this one here. Okay, so you realize that the first one we were concentrating most of the elements in the font. We've also explored what is in the slide, and we've explored some of the elements over here. For this one, we're not going to touch it for now. We're going to be touching on it during the design section. So this part of the tutorial is going to concentrate on this particular section over here. Okay, now you realize that, let me put the heading over here, introduction 1. In the first section we entered some few things over here, some elements over here. So I want to go ahead and then do some with respect to this. So I want to delete this bullet first, like that. So I'm going to list kind of food items students like so much. Okay, let me first of all type Gary, let me put sugar over here, let me put Milo over here, let me put milk. Does student actually use milk? No, let me take this and let me put, I don't know if this is how it's spelled, like gobe. Okay, yeah, we like gobe so much. I am it, so you need your own. Okay, so let's go ahead and then add some bulletin features to this one. Let me highlight everything and select this one here, and I want this one. Okay, so let's assume that I want to apply some effect to this and this, but then I want the effect to be the same, given that I've already applied the effect to just this one. You get me? So let me take this one off for now, highlight this one, say I want to bolden this, italize and underline, and use this feature also. I want to increase the font size to maybe 40 and change the font family to this. I don't know the name, actually you can pronounce it. So let's assume that I want to apply the same effect to this one. Doesn't mean I have to go through that same process trying to change all these. No. One other thing we can do is we can select this one, this element over here, the Gary. Okay, the one we want to copy the property. We can highlight it like that and then select this one here. It's called the painter. Okay, so let me select the painter and apply it to sugar, and you can see that it's going to apply all the effect of this one on this. So you can do same for this, and then also do same for this one over here. Okay, now assume you want to copy this one and then paste it over here, of which you can do that with a shortcut Ctrl+C, or you can just right click and then copy it. Aside this, we also have this property over here that allows us to copy. So let me do this, copy, and step somewhere here wherever I want to paste it, and say that right click, and I want to paste this particular element over here. Okay, so that is a quick one with respect to NotePoint and the other features we couldn't explore. The last thing I want to talk about in this video is rearranging this element over here. Now I want to copy and then paste this one here, so just right click on it, copy, select, and you can see this is it red or orange? I don't know, I'm just going to call it red. This red line over here, horizontal rule, I want to paste it over here, copy it again, select this one and paste it over here. Let's assume that I want to put beans over here. I want to put rice over here, but then I want to change the arrangement. I want this one to be right after this one, and this should be right after perhaps this one. So all I can do is just select this, drag it to this position, select this one, drag it to this position. So you can just play around this one. Okay, now there are a whole lot of things we are not going to explore, and I'm expecting you to take your time to go through to explore them yourself.